Welcome to our guide on what to do when your landlord won't make repairs. This video provides valuable information for tenants facing repair issues in their rental properties. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what your landlord is supposed to do. Landlords are required by law to keep your rental home in a livable condition. This is known as the warranty of habitability. This includes ensuring basic health and safety standards are met. This means they need to fix things like smoke and carbon monoxide detectors that don't work, leaky plumbing or clogged pipes, faulty electrical wiring and outlets, problems with ventilation, like in bathrooms or kitchens, broken heating or air conditioning, pest infestations, like rodents or bugs, and structural issues, like a collapsing ceiling or foundation. These are just a few examples. But the main idea is that your home should be safe and healthy to live in. Now, what about your responsibilities as a tenant? As a tenant, you need to take care of the property and avoid causing damage or excessive wear and tear. Report any repair problems to your landlord as soon as you notice them, and give your landlord a reasonable amount of time to make repairs. If you accidentally break something, you might be responsible for fixing it, but normal wear and tear is usually the landlord's responsibility. Living in a home with repair problems can lead to health and legal issues. For example, bad air quality from mold or poor ventilation can cause breathing problems. Pests like rodents or bugs can make your home unsanitary. Poor water and sewage can lead to unsanitary conditions, and structural problems can be dangerous. If your landlord doesn't fix these issues, you have the right to take action. One option you have is the repair and deduct process. Here's a summary of how it works. First, tell your landlord about the problem and give them a chance to fix it. Put the request in writing. Be specific about the issues and request that they be fixed promptly. Keep a copy of all communication for your records. Next, allow a reasonable time for your landlord to respond to your request. If your landlord doesn't make the necessary repairs, you can pay a professional to have it fixed yourself. Be sure to keep all receipts and documentation of the repairs. Then, you can subtract the cost from your next rent payment. You should inform your landlord about the deduction and include copies of the receipts. Remember, the repair and deduct process should be a last resort. It's a good idea to get legal advice before you go this route. It is important to know you can't withhold rent to force your landlord to make repairs. Doing this can get you evicted for not paying rent. Instead, use the legal options available to you. If your landlord still won't make repairs, you can contact your local code enforcement or health department to report unsafe living conditions. They can inspect your home and require the landlord to make necessary repairs. You can also pursue legal action. You can take your landlord to court for not making the required repairs. This might involve a small claims court or a higher court depending on the severity of the issue. Last, you may request lease cancellation. If the conditions are bad enough, you may be able to break your lease without penalty. This is a serious step, so you should definitely get legal advice if you're considering it. If you live in New Orleans Parish, there's a special program called the Healthy Homes Program. This program helps make sure rental homes are safe and healthy. It requires the registration of rental units and imposes basic requirements for habitability. It also protects you from retaliation if you report problems. We hope this video helps you understand what you can do if your landlord won't make repairs. Remember, you have the right to live in a safe and healthy home. For more information, check out the rest of our page or talk to a legal professional. Thanks for watching.